what is mean of Python? सबने Python के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना हुआ है, but why only the Python? Why not another language? आजकल Python के बारे में इतनी चर्चाएं हो रही हैं, क्यों? Because the reason of automation. Why automation? We can do automation with other language also. Yes, we can do, but why the Python only? Because it's very simple to learn. We can implement any kind of program with the help of Python very easily, because this is very high level language. High level language means what? High level language means that understanding it is very easy. Okay. So how we can get started with the Python? We can get started with the Python by downloading it, obviously, because Windows doesn't have. If you are in Linux, so Linux have inbuilt Python by 2.7, but if you are a Windows, that mostly you would be, so we have to go through, we have to download it. Okay, so how can we download it? Just follow. So open your Chrome browser, probably whatever you are using. I'm going to open the Chrome browser, and here just simply write Python. So here you'll get the very first website, that is python.org. Click open it, and probably you'll get here download option. Okay, so here in the download, so you have several options. You want Windows or Mac OS. So I want for the Windows, so let's click on the downloading, and here we have some latest release. It is 3.8 and here 2.7.17, but here we are not going to discuss Python 2 and Python 3. And 3.8 also is there, so why not go through the 3.8? I will make a separate video for 3.8, what is the difference between 3.7 and 3.8. Okay, so simply let's go ahead and download the 3.7 from here. Okay, so from here you can download this executable installer. Okay, just click it over there, and probably you'll get this pop-up and it says download it. Just hit save and download it. I'm not gonna do it because already I have downloaded it. So click on cancel. So here I'm using virtual machine to install this Python, because already I have installed it in my base machine. So here I have installed virtual machine and I'm going to start with it. Okay, so for that I have my Python 3.7 in my pen drive. So let's click it and let it install. And here we have install option, but we have to take care of one thing, that here the small tiny button is there, checkbox is there, add Python 3.7 to the path. So it is important to click over there and click it, and now click on install. So it will take administrative permission, so click on yes easily and just wait. It will take few seconds to install it, depending on your system speed. So let it be. Okay, so here we go. So you have installed Python 3.7.4 in your system very easily actually. Okay, it's just a piece of cake to install this Python in your system. So once you have done it, just close it, and for verify that it is installed in your system properly or not, just by hitting Windows plus R and just write cmd. Okay, so you'll get your command prompt. Just write Python. If it is installed, so it will open. It will get start the Python. Just click enter. So here we go. You have got installed in Python. It says you have Python 3.7.4 installed in your system.